Welcome in English learning program. In this lesson, we are going to look at phonics. English alphabet consists of 26 letters. Here they are: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, and Y, and Z. 5 out of 26 letters, which are A, E, I, O, and U. They are known as vowels. Vowels produce sounds. They are the melody of English language. Let's check out their sounds. A, E, A, A. Now let's see by using them. A, cat, mat, hat, rat. A, set, met, let, net. E, it, bit, sit, kit. A, pot, lot, not, hot. A, nut, hut, but, cut. So that's it for today's lesson. In the next video, we'll be discussing consonants and their sounds. So see you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.